I'm making a fun estimate. In home, you can do them. Welcome to my channel. Let's do this fun Loic channel. Let's do this fun estimate. Turn a green lens where see. Grab a squeezer to squeeze all those lemons. Grab a lemon, a bowl, and a powder, baking soda, and we have a bottle to keep soda in, funnel for keeping soda, and a knife to cut the lemon. And we have one balloon and we missed one. Cut the lemon. But not to use, only dead on you to use. Not dead. Can I squeeze it? Can I squeeze it? Now I am squeezing it. Now we're doing lots of them. Now it's inside, guys. Now, first, what's this here? Now we are using the powder to pour it in. Pouring baking soda and shake them under the side. Some lots of baking soda. One, two, three. Look, guys. Wow, guys. This is blowing it up. Those sweet. Now it's coming inside, guys. Is this super? Is this super, guys? Super, guys? Another estimate. We have a balloon and a snail, and we have a white bottle, anti-white bottle, and soda. Okay, now we're going to keep the baking soda. Baking soda. Now, first is to pour it in this. This one, we do pour it in this. Vinegar. Let's pour inside this one. Okay? Hold the bottle. Take that one out, and I'm using my dad's help. And we're keeping the balloon on the bottle. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Guys, is that super? This one is blowing the air. Now stop, guys. Cool big balloon. We have a pencil and a sword and a potato. First, let's try the pencil. Let's try it. Whoa. Guys, it's lit. It's on today, but it become weeks. No, guys, it didn't work. Now, let's try this one. No. Look, guys, that fits. Now, guys, let's try this. Guys, it made it out. This one reached to the right. Spin that dome. That. Let's start the estimate. We have what we then will have. We have a straw, a glass, a tray to not make table dirty, a sanitizer, a water with a glass. Let's start this. First, we need to pour water in. Now we are pouring it in. Be more stirred, guys. Okay. Now we need to blow it. Is that cool, guys? My sword is ready. Now let's blow it. Is that cool, guys? Is that cool? Please subscribe to my channel.